Welcome to my YouTube channel. I will be teaching you on how to register for the Federal Road Safety Corps, which their recruitment have started today, being 3rd of July 2026. So if you want to apply, head to recruitment.frsc.gov.ng. If you are registering with your WAEC, NECO, NAPTEP, register for ROMA, which is Marshal Assistant Cadre. This is for people that have WAEC, NECO. These are for people that have WAEC, trade test, artisans and trader, bricklayer, computer operator, drivers and rider, electrician, instrumentalist, mechanic, others, plumber and tailor. So if you have your trade test, you can apply for Marshal Assistant Cadre. Then if you have NCE, OND, ND, you can apply for this. This is Marshal Inspectorate Cadre. You will need your name, driving license. You fill the form for cadres. For officer cadre, this is for officers that have BSc, HND. So you will put your area of specialization. Are you an accountant, doctor, engineer, lawyer, others, physiotherapy? You will put your name, your driving license, and everything you need. So, and again, this one is for people that have special qualifications, e.g., doctors that already have their license. So if you are a licensed doctor, you apply for this official cadre, which is the MBBS. This is for people that have special professional exams they have written. So if you have written your professional exams, you can apply for this. Doctor, engineer, lawyer, physiotherapy. Physiotherapy, you must, before you apply for this, you have your special qualifications, which is your professional exams which you have written. So anyone you are qualified to apply, you can go there and go and apply. It's not hard. You put your driving license. If you don't have driving license, you use your name or you use your surname, other name, email. Confirm your email. You put your address, your phone number, date of birth, place of birth, nationality, which is Nigeria, state of origin, your local government of origin, your township. Then you will choose your preferable screening venue. You put your height, your weight, your gender, your marital status. You create a draft application. This is just it, and you are done. If they need you to put another thing, they will tell you. Thank you and goodbye. Success to everybody that are going to apply. If this thing is very helpful, please subscribe to our channel. God bless you.